In response. Question 8, Emma Roddick.
To ask the Scottish Government how it is supporting and improving the experience of victims of domestic abuse, particularly in situations where there are young children in the family.
Minister.
Thank you. We are committed to protecting survivors of domestic abuse through legislation and funding support services. Research on the groundbreaking domestic abuse legislation, which treats offences more seriously when involving children, found it does better reflect victims' experiences. Our £20 million BENS, whose programme improves support for children affected by abuse, providing trauma-informed spaces and coordinated services with incremental rollout from 2027.
Emma Roddick.
I supported a constituent in a truly horrific situation where her daughter came forward to claim that her father abused her. My constituent was mandated to allow contact between the two despite the child's protests and symptoms of trauma. In situations like this, it can feel for a victim like they can't win. Every decision is scrutinised and they cannot protect their child. My constituent's daughter clearly inherited her bravery, and it must have been so difficult to share what happened to her at such a young age. That has to result in protection. Following the provisions in the Children's Scotland Act 2020 to better incorporate the child's views, what concrete steps is the Government taking to ensure that a child's expressed fear of a parent or desire not to have contact is given due weight and consideration in abuse cases rather than being dismissed as coaching or alienation?
Minister, briefly.
Thank you. Firstly, I'm really sorry to hear about your constituent's situation. The child's welfare must be the court's paramount consideration in contact cases, and the court is required to consider the child's view subject to their age and their maturity. We plan to commence further provisions in the 2020 Act to enhance how the views of children are heard in these cases. We have also set up a working group on child welfare reporters who can be appointed by the court to get the child's views.